Right, look, I take this deck, it's really normal cards, and now I shuffle maybe like this, and now I shuffle maybe like this. And next step, spectator, stop anytime. Remember this card is really free, and now your cards drop at the center. No break, no crimps, it's really true. Yes, it's really crazy. And now I take this box, it's really normal box, look. And now I production your cards 10 of diamonds. And now I production 4. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice, really crazy card trick, because you production 4 cards, you search spectator cards, you really nice magician. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, share this video with your friend magician, maybe write this comment, why not? And now take deck and teach this trick. Let's go. So it's really crazy trick because you production 4 cards, you forced cards, you production cards, you production 4 cards. It's really nice. Your setup look like this. You take any 4 cards, maybe you take 4 queen, why not? And now this 4 queen put in her like this. Queen of hearts face up, queen of clubs face down, queen of diamonds face down, queen of spades face down. Right, it's really easy setup. So, and next step you make any full shuffle. Maybe you make a full shuffle like this. Of course you control this 4 queen. Maybe you full shuffle like this. Of course you control this 4 queen. Maybe you full shuffle like this. Of course you control these cards. So maybe you full shuffle like this. You make a swing cut, make a break, make a swing cut, of course you save at your break, make swing cut, of course you save at your break, and this pile, drop it like this. Alright. Next step, you take little pile, drop it like this, take little pile, drop it, take your break, drop it, and this pile, drop it like this. Right? Maybe you make a full scut like this. Look, it's really normal deck. And now I shuffle, maybe shuffle like this. Of course, I control this pile. So, use this finger, count little pile, like this, make a break. And now you make a full swing cut. You make a swing cut and take this pile, like this, and make a swing cut. Of course, you shuffle this deck and control it, your little pile, your left hand, right? Look, count little pile, make a break, and make a full swing cut. Right, it's really crazy. And next step, you make a swing cut, make a break, make a swing cut your break, and save it your break, because now you force it your spectator queen of spades. You make a break, and now you take this break like this, and save it your break this finger, right? And next step, you make a dribble, and spectator stop anytime, because you force it, dribble force. Look, spectator, please stop anytime. Spectator stop, maybe her, and now you drop it this your break, right? Like this, and show it these cards. Look, I repeat, make a swing cut, save it your break, alright? Take your break like this, drop it this card, stop, alright, and show it these cards. Of course you don't show it these cards like this, because you show it this kind of horse face up. It's really a no cool trick. And now you spectator stop anytime, this, alright, and drop it this pile, right? Look, stop, alright, and drop it this pile. I repeat, look, drop it, stop, alright, and turn over and show it these cards like this. And spectator remembers these cards. Now you squeeze, and now use this pile, drop it like this. Of course you save it your break like this. It's really easy, look. Your cards has this queen of spades. This pile, drop it like this. It's really automatical break, right? And next step, use this finger, take this pile and make a save with your break like this, right? And now you take this break like this, and now you make a turnover pass. Look, Your right hand, alright, now your right hand make move it like this. Your left hand make move it like this. Look, I repeat. Take this pile, and now your right hand make move it like this. Your left hand make move it like this. And now this pile, drop it this pile and squeeze. Of course, you make turnover pass. Look, I repeat full speed. And of course, I control this queen. So look, make a break, save to break, turnover. Alright. Yo queen here. I repeat slow-mo. Take this pile turn over like this. Look, and this pile turn over like this. And turn over this pile like this and drop it. Look, I repeat. Save at your break, take this pile and move it like this. It's really easy control. Look, yo queen here, take this pile, turn over this pile, squeeze and turn over. I repeat. It's really easy move. Right, I repeat, look. Right. And now you make a dribble like this. And show it really no car control, really no brake, cream, of course, it's really true. So, now you squeeze to know this pile, of course, your for queen here. And now you take this box, and next step in production, this king of spades, this is card spectator. Your left hand move it like this, make you break, and now use this finger, take these cards like this. And next step in production, these cards like this. It's really easy production, look. It's really nice shot, it's really cool. It's really it's really crazy production these cards. Look, queen of spades and production this queen of spades. It's really true. So look, you covered this move. Your right hand takes this box, move it like this. Take this box, 1, 2, 3, and production this queen like this. It's really easy. 1, 2, 3. Production this queen of spades. It's really crazy. And next step, your right hand takes this pile, move it like this, and palm at your right hand these cards like this. It's really easy palm it. Look, move it like this, and now your right hand palm at these cards like this. Alright. And now your right hand production these cards like this. Look, palm at your right hand, move with this finger like this, and this finger takes these cards and production like this. It's really easy. Look, production, palm it, squeeze, move it like this, and production like this. Alright. Your left hand production these cards like this. And now I repeat full speed. Alright. Drop it, and production 4 ace.